Blue Tractor presents bowling. Ha! Whoa! What? Yeah! What? Ha! Hi there, friends! Can I be the one to suggest a game today? Well, sure you can, Truck. Just go ahead. We're all ears.
What game is it, Truck?
A very interesting one. It's called bowling.
Oh, I know what kind of game that is. I watched a cartoon where a big ball knocked over funny bottles.
Those aren't bottles, Sprinkler. Those things are called bowling pins.
Well, let's call them pins. We still don't have any. How are we going to play?
I figured it out already. We're going to make them out of sand with special molds. Let's go! Out of sand? I'm really curious to see what will happen.
It'll be great! It'll be great! This mold right here looks like a bottle.
Like a pin. That's exactly what I was thinking. For starters, we're gonna make 3 bottles. No, 3 pins.
Just one bowling pin per vehicle.
Okay, who will throw the ball first? I think it'll be Sprinkler. Girls go first.
Don't let me go first, guys. Our friend Truck should throw the ball first. He came up with the game. That's only fair.
I'm not opposed, but you go second.
And I'm not opposed.
Just wait.
You missed it. Watch how to do it.
Let's just see how well you throw the ball now.
Go. Just a little bit more. And hit.
Not too bad. If you ask me, that wasn't good at all.
I agree. In the cartoon, one bowling pin flew off and knocked over the others.
Because real bowling pins are hard and don't fall apart when you hit them. But our pins are made of sand. Oh, well. And I wanted to amuse you guys with a new game.
But you did amuse us. We will play sand bowling instead. I will throw one more time, and whoever hits the most is the winner.
And if you miss it, the next vehicle goes. What a great game. You think? Well, of course. Why would we try to trick you? Go ahead, Sprinkler.
Oh. Just a little more. Oh. I know I missed the pins, so don't you go and make fun of me.
But I wasn't planning on it. Well, go ahead, Blue Tractor. But first, you have to fix the first pin. Going for the strike now? Yeah! Got it! One more time. All right. Ha!
Well, there. You went and beat me.
Don't worry about it. The next time, you'll knock more pins down. I don't mind at all. Here we go again. Yeah! I did it! Let's start the game from the beginning.
I don't want to do that. If the bowling pins had been hard, then when I hit the first one, it would have knocked all the others over. But this isn't interesting.
Well, there. I told you guys it wasn't interesting. You say it's not interesting? Well, then, you just wait for me here. Oh, wow! Would you look at that? I remembered that our friend Construction Crane had real bowling pins sitting in his garage. I asked to borrow them for a while.
Hooray! Now I'm going to beat you all! Can I go first?
I'm not opposed. And I'm not opposed.
Right? I really have to aim well this time. And... well, there. Missed it.
I'm sorry, Sprinkler, but I just can't hold back. Missed it. of you to be mean, Truck. It was just a test throw. It doesn't count in the end. Now Sprinkler will line herself up and take a real shot. Let's go. Test throw? Well, okay then. Come on now, Sprinkler. You'll hit all the pins this time.
Hooray! Hooray, hooray, hooray! Sprinkler is the winner!
That's not what we agreed upon. That isn't fair.
If we didn't agree on it, that means it's fair. I'm the winner! I'm the winner!
You know, Sprinkler's right, buddy. After all, we didn't say that you could only hit the pins with the ball. And in any game, you have to talk about all the rules at the beginning. That way, everything will be fair. Let's agree to hit the pins with the bowling ball. Otherwise, it's not bowling.
That is fine. I wanted to joke around. I wanted to make you laugh a little.